Hello my Virgos, let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of August 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Viva Atula family. A happy birthday to you, because there are a few darlings who have birthdays in the month of August. So wishing you a happy birthday. And if you belong to my cusp babies, my love, the reading is already out. This is for my zodiac ones. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, that is 20, and 21st to the 30th. Let's begin. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days please. Politics, darlings, participation, going with the flow, clinging to the past. If you let go of your past, you will allow somebody to come in your life with whom you can have a happy family time, but you should still not trust. Okay, there is somebody who's not trying to show their true colors in the first 10 days. Whoever it is, it could be you also. Unknowingly, you are misusing your abilities, your strengths. Why? Because you've experienced something in your past. Maybe that's the reason universe is trying to remind you. Only trust your gut feeling. That's it. Do not trust anybody, no matter how much that person is trying to give you proof, the nitty-gritty whatsoever. Okay, let go of your past. You are only burdening yourself. You have your family, friends with whom you can enjoy, spend time with them. You will be in a happy space. And remember to love yourself. Don't forget to do that. I know you are saying that, oh, I do that, but no. Maybe in the first 10 days, you might, I wouldn't say self-sabotage, but you might just feel low. So start loving and pampering yourself. Okay. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Control, healing, we are the world, maturity. Finance is coming towards you. Some new beginnings, new job opportunities, or you may travel for work basis that will bring in success. People are connecting with you. You may interact with someone who is a control freak, like a fatherly or a colleague or a brother or some elderly person. Okay, but I think this person needs to voice their emotions, so they have been suppressing it, and maybe because of which there might be some arguments. So talk it out. If you're my masculine energy, please voice your emotions, take care of your heart. Something beautiful is coming. So I think it's more on emotional grounds that needs to be worked in the mid 10 days. Rest, everything should be fine. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 30th. We begin with the creator, postponement, letting go, transformation. Remember, it's your ego that's giving you a problem. Lot of anger issues, lot of fear. Maybe you've been overthinking. Why is it not happening in the last 10 days? Universe is saying, learn to let go. Whatever issues, whatever chapter is something that you will experience, changes are mandatory. You have a beautiful angel or a divinely connection who is blessing you, who is supporting you. So allow that shift. Remember, one chapter closes for a new chapter to begin. So ideally, it's best to let go in the last 10 days. Whatever it is, it's okay. God bless. Learn from your mistakes is what I will say. Okay. Now let's ask your angels some guidance. Beautiful. Giving and receiving. What you give is what you shall receive. So when you do good, the good comes back to you. Remember, life is an echo, right? So do a little bit of charity, bless Mother Earth, love yourself, stay grounded, thank people, replace anger with love is what your angels are trying to remind you. So if you've done good, the good will come back. That's how the equation works. Now let's come to your love life. We got them immediately. Phoenix and healing heart. So maybe you are still not over through a toxic relationship or some addiction because of which you had been through a heartbreak. That's the reason it is trying to say heal your heart. Remember, a new change, transformation will take place. If you have a change of mind, only then those changes will come to you. Okay, else you will not be able to allow to work in your space. Now let's ask what's next for you in this month. Toil and labor. I know you guys are hardworking, but it's still reminding work on that hard work. It's not that, right now we have these laptops, computers, AI, everything, but it is also trying to say, in the previous times, the olden days, you used to literally go print documents, all those things. The literal hard work is something it is trying to say you may be lacking, okay, unknowingly. Given that 200%, you shall receive the benefit. How should I sum up this month? Do good and the good comes back to you. Why? Because when you trust yourself, when you let go, when you bless people, the good karma gets generated. You will have finance flow. Emotionally, you will be happy. When you let go of that pain, something good will come to you. So this is what it's trying to say. Do good and the good comes back to you. Your angels are also trying to tell you to focus on giving and receiving, which is the law of karma. Heal yourself and then allow a new relationship to blossom in your love life, and keep working hard. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Again, happy birthday, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.